What's up guys and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna remove the steering wheel in the E36 and actually put it on straight because I didn't do that last time. I put it on a tiny bit to the left and we're gonna adjust the handbrake. And with adjusting, I mean we're basically gonna remove the whole thing. We're gonna make it so loose that it doesn't do shit because something is clicking from the rear end. I don't know what it is, so and it's like I can feel it in the handbrake, so I'm gonna guess it's the handbrake. And let's go. So, I'll need that, and I'll need those. Yes, we have a T25 there, so that's nice. Yeah, I'll need some of these as well. I guess I'll need a 10. I'll take a 9, and do we have an 8mm? Yep, there's an 8mm. I gotta disconnect the battery and then adjust the handbrake with these, so let's hope these are the right ones. Maybe I should take a 12 with me. Play it safe. It's a 13, there's a 12. Okay, now we should be good. I'll slide these down my pockets. Alright guys, I got a new lens. One that doesn't actually make the autofocus click. Oh god, my hair is really messy. But it does make the autofocus click like the other one. Like, you see, I can focus it around and stuff without it making any kind of noise. We got this like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. It's really quiet and I love it. Shout out to my boy Nick, he's a sexy fellow. Okay, that's fucking difficult. I need to unlock the door. Okay, that was more difficult than it should have been. There it is. The almighty E36. It's literally just one T25 back here, and then a T25 back here as well. And then the airbag should come out. But first I need to disconnect the battery because I don't want that, because I don't want this to blow up in my face, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay, airbag is out, battery is disconnected. Okay, I don't know where straight is. I guess I'll do a blind guess. I'll just kinda, boop. Okay, let's do this. I know I'm not supposed to use chrome sockets with an impact. Oh, with an impact, but I'm a gangster, so I do what the fuck I like. Let's see if the wheel wants to come loose. And like that. Oh. Is that right? I don't know. I hope so. That's kind of loud. Okay, airbag back on. That should just click in like that. And that should be like that. And bang, a straight steering wheel. Well, I gotta tighten this down. And who the fuck is that? Who's texting me at like 10 AM? That was an Ezio from Discord. Join the Discord, link in the description. Also subscribe if you haven't, because that's nice. Okay, my camera just fell behind the seat, but boys, it's on, and I hope it's straight, otherwise I'll have to do this all again. Didn't take too long, but it would be nice if it was straight. So, time to move on to the handbrake. The handbrake is literally just click, and then it's up. And then you can adjust them by those two little bolts down there, if you can see them, yeah. And my handbrake is just acting up, so I'm just gonna take those two all the way out and hope for the best. Won't have an e-brake, but who needs that either way? Because I know I don't. I can just park in a gear, and that's my parking brake. Easy. Okay, let's do this. The e-brake has been adjusted, or I should say removed. I don't know, because it's really loose, and that's what I wanted, because something was clunky in the background, or something was clunky in the handbrake, and I don't know what it was. So I'm just doing this until I can actually be bothered to fix it. So it's like really loose now. Okay, connect the battery and take for a test drive. Okay, that's bright, isn't it? Test drive, okay. There we go, battery in. Okay, let's check if I have the airbag light on. I did it successfully. The airbag light is not on. Turns on just fine. Yes, the indicator cancel thingy works just fine. I gotta take it off for a little bit of a longer spin to see if the wheel is straight. The wheel is straight, boys. We have succeeded. So that's nice. Okay, bit of wheel spin. No noise from the handbrake. Sounds okay. Steering wheel is straight. What else can I ask for? And we're basically back home. I don't want to show too much because I live there. But steering wheel seems straight, handbrake seems fine. Car sounds great. Oh, this lens is dusty. I haven't used it for a while. Well, if you like manuals, press the like button. If you don't like manuals, still press the like button. If you didn't like this video, press the like button. If you hated this video, press the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.